use of NM cable in indoor exposed locations in a commercial pole barn for storage use is generally not recommended and may not be compliant with electrical codes. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, prohibits the use of NM cable in exposed locations in commercial occupancies unless specifically permitted per NEC Article 334.10. NM cable has a non-metallic sheath that can be easily damaged, exposing the conductors. This can create a fire hazard if the cable is exposed to physical damage or heat sources. In a commercial pole barn, there may be heavy equipment, machinery, or vehicles that could damage the exposed NM cable. To comply with electrical code requirements and minimize fire hazards, consider using one of the following code-compliant alternatives for exposed wiring in a commercial pole barn. Firstly, conduit. Secondly, electrical metallic tubing, also known as EMT. And thirdly, MC cable. Conduit, whether rigid or flexible, provides physical protection for the wiring, preventing damage from impact or exposure to heat sources. Electrical metallic tubing is a lightweight metal tubing that provides mechanical protection for the wiring. MC cable is a cable with a flexible metal sheath that is both fire-resistant and crush-resistant. There are some exceptions to the NEC prohibition against exposed NM cable in commercial occupancies. These exceptions include 1. When the cable is concealed within raceways or other means of protection, and 2. When the cable is specifically approved for exposed use in commercial occupancies by the NEC or local code authorities. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the most appropriate wiring method for your specific application and ensure compliance with all applicable electrical codes.